Before diving into Care2, let me tell you, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before buying. This software is making waves, but does it truly live up to the hype? Stick with me, and I'll give you a clear picture of what Care2 offers and how it compares to its competitors. First off, Care2's core functionality is centered around its CRM and marketing automation features. What sets it apart from others like HubSpot or Salesforce is its ease of use. If you're looking for something powerful but not overwhelming, Care2 could be the sweet spot. Unlike those giant platforms that require a steep learning curve, Care2's interface is intuitive, designed for teams that want efficiency without the added stress. Next thing you'll want to know is the price. While Care2 offers a competitive pricing structure, it's important to compare it with competitors. For instance, Salesforce can run you thousands per year, depending on your needs, while Care2's pricing is much more accessible, especially for small to medium-sized businesses. Care2 is perfect for those who want to get things done without paying for more than they need. The third thing, customer support. One of the main frustrations people have with large CRMs is the slow or unhelpful support. In contrast, Care2 boasts responsive customer service, with a team that actually knows the software inside out. Whether you're on the free trial or a paying plan, Care2's support team has been known to provide quick, insightful responses, something that's often lacking in bigger platforms. The fourth thing to consider is automation. Care2's marketing automation features, including email campaigns and lead nurturing, rival bigger players like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, but Care2 offers a simpler setup. This is a huge advantage for businesses who want automation but don't need all the extra fluff. Next, let's talk integrations. Care2 does a solid job here, offering seamless integrations with popular tools like Zapier, Google Analytics, and social media platforms. However, compared to more enterprise-focused software like HubSpot, it's still a bit limited in advanced integrations. But for most small businesses, this isn't a deal breaker. The sixth thing you'll want to know is about their analytics and reporting. Care2 does a great job giving you insights into your leads and marketing efforts. Its dashboard is straightforward and clear, providing key metrics without overloading you with unnecessary data. This simplicity in reporting makes it easier to track what's working without needing a PhD in analytics. Finally, it's all about the trial. You can actually try Care2 for free, no strings attached. You get to test its full capabilities and see if it fits your business needs before committing. That's something not every CRM out there offers. So, you can experience Care2's user-friendly interface, automation features, and strong customer support all at zero cost for a limited time. If you want to give Care2 a try, click the first link in the description to access their best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to try it yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business.